Hello and welcome back. Today, fixing more broken stuff. Well, not so much broken as old and tatty. So these are my approximately 20-year-old Sennheiser HD265s. Very nice headphones, but really started to disintegrate. So the foam's just, I mean, look at it, just like dust. And the pads just coming to pieces, and the strap kind of just collapsed. I guess again the foam's kind of turned to dust inside. It's quite some time ago. So I got this kit that comes with all the pieces from AliExpress. I think it was about a £5 delivered all the way from China. So just going to see how tricky this is to get to pieces. It looks like probably things just unclip. Surprisingly easy, although there is sort of dust everywhere from this disintegrating stuff. But here's the question, am I going to be able to get this damn stuff out without it just completely coming to bits? Well, that's kind of shaped. Let's get any dust out. Not too bad, that one. Oh, there we go. Just get my finger underneath that way and pull. Oh my goodness, look at this. Just falling to pieces. It's incredible. But those are nice and clean. I guess before putting any bits on, maybe I'll try and take out the top piece as well, in case dust and things come out of that. Aha! Ah, okay. Just needed a bit more of a shove to, or a bit more of a twist to pop it out one side. So this will hopefully now slide out. Lovely. Reasonably clean in there. Let's slide in the new band. This should now fit properly for the first time in a long time, because I don't have a very big head, so not having the padding made it sit, you know, just quite low. Oh, I've slid it into the wrong slot on one side. Let's make sure we get this right. Okay, that's the top slot. That's the top slot. Yep. Slide it through. Is this actually going to be the right size? Kind of doesn't look like it, does it? Still, it will probably do the job. Going to be hard to get a good angle on that. Bigger tool. Bound to work better. Also lets me sort of reach around the edge of the metal. Let's give it a real good squeeze. Yeah, that's definitely flatter. Do both edges. Okay, and the far edge. Okay. Push this through. There we go. Okay. so. Should now just be able to put this the right way round. And clip it back. Yeah, this has ended up back in the second slot. Okay, doesn't look like it grabs well enough, but I'm sure the other piece will push it out of the way. Okay, so I want my little clip to be more clippy again, so let's try and bend it back out. Although it seemed like it would probably still do the job even in this position, to be honest. This is going to be a real good way to injure yourself if you try and put a little force into this. So I'm going to put it down in that corner. Just put my thumb near it, put my finger near it. Hopefully it won't be able to slip. And it's got a bit of a bump to it. I'll give that a go. Now, there you go, seems fine. That's not just going to fall out, that's for sure. Yes, this doesn't fill up the space quite properly. There's like a gap. There's a gap at each end. Hopefully I'm not going to find that I get bits of hair torn out by that. I imagine you could find some bits of plastic or tape or something to cut to the same width and slide in to fill these holes up maybe, but it's I'd have to say into bits again now, so I'm sure that will be fine. And the other bits should just slot in. So I've got my new foam and my new ear pad. Ah yes, there's a clip on that, so it's the inner ring that clips, not the outer. Oh, that's the wrong side. Let's not do that. Let's wait, does it have to clip over the foam then? This foam does have very deep impressions in it, so perhaps it clips through the foam. Whoops. Right, let's see if we can feel the inside plastic. So I can actually get my finger just, there's like a gap under the padded bit into the plastic. You can press the plastic. Okay, I'm going to place the other one on to just make sure I don't scratch the driver or something. Okay, I can definitely feel that going in. Yeah, that felt positive. I think maybe the trick is to get it in one of the channels and then work your way around to make sure it goes into the channel progressively. Oh yeah, that was a good clip on the end there. So I think maybe it's hard to line up both, you know, without working both sides, without working your way around. Hey, lovely, that's in. So the trick is going to be how you make sure it lines up. Push it down at the outside maybe, hope that centers it. Then start with this corner. Yeah, okay, that went in. Yep, that's going in. So we just work our way around. Yeah, good clip there. Let's just make sure it's real good in there. And then just there we go. The materials seem decent on these. Shame the headband didn't fill up the whole space properly, but I think it's probably going to work just fine. Well, very nice. Hopefully that'll give me another 20 years out of these. Still very good headphones. Well, I hope that saves anyone else who needs to do this job a bit of time. Not difficult once you know how. Unfortunately, I didn't know how, but now I do. Good luck to you all, and good night.